note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the product's entire life. We offer full support for both repairs and service, thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site, or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, back to our product. The Karcher K2 Universal Pressure Washer has a power of 110 bar and a water flow of 360 liters per hour and is designed to ensure deep cleaning. The ability to clean up to 20 square meters per hour allows for quick and efficient completion of cleaning tasks, ensuring exceptional results even in the most demanding situations. Among the distinctive features of the Karcher K2 Universal Pressure Washer is the lance with dirt blaster nozzle, designed to remove the most stubborn dirt with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle and practical hooks have been designed to facilitate the handling and transportation of the device, making it highly maneuverable. Moreover, the Quick Connect system simplifies the connection of the pressure washer. Integration with the Home and Garden app opens up new possibilities in the use of the Karcher K2 Universal Pressure Washer, providing step-by-step assistance in the initial installation and useful tips to maximize the effectiveness of the pressure washer. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.